MaskX app and website. Open MaskX homepage. Click on one of the sign-up signs. Now you have three options. Sign up with a username, email, or phone number. Select the option suitable for you. We will go with username example Real Trader 2022. Set a password. Times make sure it is hard to guess. Repeat it for the second time. Then, go check user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, select sign up. Drag the slider to complete the puzzle. Log in for finishing the registration, which is almost the same on the app. Open MaskX application. Select register. Choose the option you want to be registered by. Type your username as Real Trader 2022. Fill in the requested fields. Select register. Log in for finishing the registration. We strongly recommend linking your wallet tether to email or Google 2 feet to avoid login issues or one-time passwords problems. For that, go to User Center. Click on Profile. Select Make It Safe Now. And activate via either email verification or Google certification. For binding email or Google certification on the app, click on the upper left corner icon and choose Security Settings. Then bind email or modify Google verification. Welcome to the MaskX family. Trade with confidence. Trade your way. How to register on MaskX application and website. Joining MaskX is a fast and easy process both on the MaskX app and website. Open MaskX homepage. Click on one of the sign-up signs. Now you have three options. Sign up with a username, email, or phone number. Select the option suitable for you. We will go with username example Real Trader 2022. Set a password. Times make sure it is hard to guess. Repeat it for the second time. Then, go check user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, select sign up. Drag the slider to complete the puzzle. Log in for finishing the registration, which is almost the same on the app. Open MaskX application. Select register. Choose the option you want to be registered by. Type your username as Real Trader 2022. Fill in the requested fields. Select register. Log in for finishing the registration. We strongly recommend linking your wallet tether to email or Google 2 feet to avoid login issues or one-time passwords problems. For that, go to User Center. Click on Profile. Select Make It Safe Now. And activate via either email verification or Google certification. For binding email or Google certification on the app, click on the upper left corner icon and choose Security Settings. Then bind email or modify Google verification. Welcome to the MaskX family. Trade with confidence. Trade. How to register on MaskX application and website. Joining MaskX is a fast and easy process both on the MaskX app and website. Open MaskX homepage. Click on one of the sign-up signs. Now you have three options. Sign up with a username, email, or phone number. Select the option suitable for you. We will go with username example Real Trader 2022. Set a password. Times make sure it is hard to guess. Repeat it for the second time. Then, go check user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, select sign up. Drag the slider to complete the puzzle. Log in for finishing the registration, which is almost the same on the app. Open MaskX application. Select register. Choose the option you want to be registered by. Type your username as Real Trader 2022. Fill in the requested fields. Select Register. Log in for finishing the registration. We strongly recommend linking your wallet tethered to email or Google 2 feet to avoid login issues or one-time passwords problems. For that, go to User Center. Click on Profile. Select Make It Safe Now. And activate via either email verification or Google certification. For binding email or Google certification on the app, click on the upper left corner icon and choose Security Settings. Then bind email or modify Google verification. Welcome to the MaskX family. Trade with confidence. Trade your way.
Hi guys, good evening from wherever you're watching me from, and thanks for joining me in this episode. As we wait for more people to join, let's keep watching Maskia's advert as we wait for more people to join. We will start shortly.
How to register on MaskX application and website. Joining MaskX is a fast and easy process both on the MaskX app and website. Open MaskX homepage, click on one of the sign up signs. Now you have three options. Sign up with a username, email, or phone number. Select the option suitable for you. We will go with username example Real Trader 2022, set a password. Times make sure it is hard to guess. Repeat it for the second time. Then, go check user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, select sign up. Drag the slider to complete the puzzle. Log in for finishing the registration, which is almost the same on the app. Open MaskX application. Select Register. Choose the option you want to be registered by. Type your username XRealTrader 2022. Fill in the requested fields. Select Register. Log in for finishing the registration. We strongly recommend linking your wallet tethered to email or Google 2 feet to avoid login issues or one-time passwords problems. For that, go to User Center. Click on Profile. Select Make It Safe Now. And activate via either email verification or Google certification. For binding email or Google certification on the app, click on the upper left corner icon and choose Security Settings. Then bind email or modify Google verification. Welcome to the MaskX family. Trade with confidence. Trade your way.
Welcome. Please share this video, share to your groups, share to your timeline so that more people will join us as we start. So today our topic is how to become a profitable crypto trader. How to become a profitable crypto trader. This is our topic, and this is what we are which is what we are looking at today. So as we wait for more people to join, please share because we are just 7 now, and once we reach 10 people, we can start officially. So share this video to groups, share to your family and friends so that more people will join us. Let's start. There are more things to learn today. There are many, many things to learn today. Many people trade crypto, but they are not profitable. Many people trade crypto just to trade, they don't make profit. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you some factors and some things that you could do and you'll be trading crypto profitably. There are many things you don't know. There are many things that you can be doing and you will remain profitable trading crypto. Even if you are not profitable in all, but let your gain be bigger than your loss. So if your loss is higher than your gain, that means you are not a profitable crypto trader. You are just there. But if your gain is bigger than your loss, then you are profitable. And this is what I want to teach you all today, how to be profitable trading crypto. So time is not in our side, and I think I need to share my screen now. Let's get started. As we start, more people will join us. Then, so I'll be sharing my screen right now. Let's get started. So our topic says how to become a profitable crypto trader. How to become a profitable crypto trader. And as explained earlier, a profitable crypto trader is someone whose profit, whose gains is bigger than his loss. If you are trading crypto and your loss, you always make loss. And in fact, if you check everything you are doing, your loss is bigger than your gains. That means you are not a profitable crypto trader. You are not a profitable crypto trader. And this is what we are going to discuss today, how you can become a profitable crypto trader. So let's start. The question is, who is a profitable crypto trader? A profitable crypto trader is a trader whose gain is greater than his or her loss in his trading history. So if your loss is greater than your gains, that means you are not a profitable crypto trader. You need to, there is something happening within your cycle, within what you are doing, or there is something that you are not doing good and you need to be doing good so that you can remain profitable as a crypto trader. So let's forge ahead. There are some basic tips to become a profitable crypto trader. There are some basic tips to become a profitable crypto trader. Please share this video to more people, share to your friends, share to your timeline, share to groups, share everywhere so that more people can join us. More people can gain from this. Don't learn alone. Share to more people. Share to more people, guys. You can share up to 10. If you share up to 10 people, just screenshot it and send to me or send to the group. There will be a giveaway for you. If you share up to 10 groups or up to 10 places, just screenshot it and send to the group. If you are in my group, send to the group. If you're not in my group, just send to me, send to my DM, and I will give you something for doing that. In my trading in my trading communities, if you do something for me, I will reward you. So if you share to 10 people or share to 10 groups, just screenshot it and send to me. Do that. Let's forge ahead. Now, the first factor we are going to talk about and becoming a crypto trader is crypto education. Crypto education. So, how knowledgeable are you in the crypto sector? Because this is, if you remove this thing, you cannot be a profitable crypto trader. Crypto education, this is the first factor anybody that are aspiring to become profitable crypto trading crypto, this is the first thing you need to put into consideration. If you are not well educated in the crypto sector, you are not going to be profitable. So that is why crypto education is the first thing to look at while trading crypto. Crypto education. What is crypto education and how do we go about these things? So, crypto education, having rich knowledge about crypto trading will help you to become profitable as a crypto trader. So, the knowledge you have in crypto is what makes you more stronger and what helps you to make more gains in your trading journey. If you are not well educated, there is no way you will know what you do. So here, there are many things to learn before you can become a profitable crypto trader. Okay, we have fundamental analysis, we have technical analysis, we have many things you need to learn before you place a trade and come out profitably. Okay, without having that basic knowledge, some people don't even have basic knowledge. Okay, some people don't have basic knowledge, and that's not advisable at all. You need to have there are some knowledges you need to have before you can go into crypto. You don't just start trading crypto. You don't just come and do because other people are doing. There are some knowledge you need to gain first before you can be profitable trading crypto. Some people don't know what is long, some people don't know what is short. They just get signal and they apply it. They just get signal and they don't know. They just do. One person came to my DM and said, "I bought. Someone told me to bought BTC with 50,000 naira. I bought BTC with 50,000 naira, and now my BTC is 35,000 naira." And I asked him, "What is your entry point? What is your entry point?" And he said, "What is entry point? I don't know what is that." I said, "What? You bought BTC, but you don't know entry point?" He told me that the person just told me to put 50,000 and tomorrow I will make 100,000. And I said, "You put 50,000, but you don't know your entry point." So that's why crypto education is the first point you need to consider why coming into crypto. Because if you don't have the basic knowledge, there is no way you will be profitable doing so. Now, in crypto education, it also include crypto education also includes knowing well on technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis, this is the process used to evaluate or predict the future price of an asset using technicals and mathematical charts. So this is technical indicator. Technical analysis, this thing you are seeing here is what is called is a technical analysis. All these things using charts to determine the future price of an asset is technical analysis. So all these things here has a meaning. So and that is why having the knowledge about technical analysis will help you to be profitable in your crypto journey. Without knowing the meaning of all these things, without knowing the meaning of all these things here and how to use these things to determine the future price of an asset, there is no way you are going to be profitable trading crypto. Okay? Without knowing the meaning, how to use these things to determine the future price of an asset, there is no way you will be profitable trading crypto. So what do you do in order to gain this knowledge? There are many institutions out there that teaches crypto. There are many institutions out there that teaches how to use this. Okay, I also teach how to use this in my YouTube channel. You can have, if you go in my YouTube channel, there are many videos that I teach about in the technical analysis, how to analyze coins. Okay, knowing how to analyze coins will help you to be profitable trading crypto. You understand? Without this basic knowledge, there is no way you will be profitable doing this. Okay. Also, in analysis, this is where you determine where to enter and where to go out, where to enter and where to exit. Okay. This is what helps you. These things, this chart you are seeing here, these charts you are seeing here, all these things has a meaning. All these candles has meaning. All these candles here what has what it represents. Okay, so you need to know all these things before you can be profitable trading crypto. And how do you gain this knowledge? There is in my YouTube channel, which is Booker's Master Class. If you go there, all these things are there. I teach about analysis, technical analysis. Okay, once you go there, you will learn how to become a professional in analyzing coins. And if what you find there is not enough for you, I also have a place you can come, and I will teach you myself how to analyze all these things, because having the basic knowledge about this will help you to remain be a profit to trade profitably. Okay, now let's go to the second point. The second point we have here is fundamental analysis. These things cannot be ruled out when talking about being a profitable crypto trader. Okay? You have to be a fundamental analyst in this sector. Now, what is fundamental analysis? Is a process of evaluating a crypto asset, coins, using economic data, okay, in attempt to measure the values. Okay, what is this in saying? Using the economic data to predict the future price of an asset. Using economic data to predict the future price of an asset. There are some certain things. So this is what we call like yesterday. Example, what happened yesterday when Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin. Okay, and Dogecoin started increasing in price. What does that tell us? That's telling you that the trend, news trends can increase the price of an asset. Okay, Elon Musk is one of a one person that inspires more in the crypto sector. This person can just increase the price of a coin with just a tweet. Now let's look at the basic. There are many things that can increase the volume of a coin, the value of a coin. Okay, so these things out there is what can increase the value of a coin. One is the security of that coin. Second is the coin supply. Third is the development team. Fourth is the partnership. Then application of the industry. Okay, you can't rule all these things out while analyzing a coin. Okay, if you want to buy a coin, there is some basic things that you need to do before you buy that coin. You don't just buy a coin because people are buying. There are some things you need to check before you buy that coin. And these things here are what you need to check before buying your coin. These things here, okay? Let's assume that someone just called a coin for you. This is what you need to check before going into that coin. You check the security of the coin. You check how many supply does this coin has. You check the team that built this coin. Who are the people around this coin? Who are the people that built this coin? Okay, then the partnership means who are they partnering with? Like you can remember when Tesla partnered with Doge in terms of payment, the price of Dogecoin increased. Why? Because of there is a partnership there. Okay. Okay. Now Masquez partnered with NVA coin. Now Masquez is marketing NVA. That is marketing NVA for them. That is partnership. So partnership, the type of partnership you have, the type of partnership a coin has will determine the value of that coin, will determine the future value of that coin. You understand? So check around why investing in a coin. First, check, use their news, use their platform, their community, and notice when they have a good partnership, when they have a news about a new partnership, that coin price will increase. When there is a new news about a new partnership, the price of that coin will increase. Okay, then the application of the coin in this industry. What is the coin doing? What is it for? Okay, now like API 3 coin. Many people know this coin called API 3. So the use of this coin called API 3 is used for building the, APIs while developing your own coin, or something like FTM, Phantom. Okay, now Phantom is is a network where other people build on. Like if someone want to develop a token, they can build it on Phantom. Like Binance Smart Chain, people build there. So what is this coin that you are trying to buy? What is the use case in the industry? What is the use case in the society? What is the use case around? Okay, without having a good fundamental use case, there is no way the value of that coin will increase. The price of that coin will not increase. Okay, it's only like this. You can see Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is not just a memo coin. They start apply some things that will help Shiba to have a use case in this industry. So with this, Shiba Inu will last in the industry. It will have more use case in the industry. So note these 5 points down. Use your pen. Note these 5 points down. In any coin you want to buy, check whether these 5 coins are there, whether they meet up with these 5 points. Now, coin supply. Coin supply. You cannot just see a coin that has 50 trillion supply and you expect that coin to do well in the market. No, that coin will never do well like a coin. A coin that has 50 trillion supply can never do well like a coin that has 100 million supply. No, this is a big difference. So coin supply cannot be ruled out. Coin supply, coin supply, coin supply can determine the future price of a coin. You understand? So while investing, always check the supply of a token. Check the supply of a token before you invest your money there. Okay. Now the development team. Who are the people around this coin? Who are the builders of this coin? And also, what is happening within their community? What is happening within their community? This is the things you need to check. What is happening within their community? What happens around the community determines the increase of that coin. Okay, there are some other factors that determines the future price of an asset that is not listed here, but these are the basics. And all these things, once you put them into the right application, there is no way that that coin you are going to buy, if the coin you want to buy meet up with all these things in the right way, there is no way that you are not going to make profit buying that coin. So applying these things will help you to be a profitable crypto trader. Let's forge ahead. The next point. Now, the next point I have here is diversification. Diversify. Okay? Diversification. Now, diversifying your investment helps a lot when it comes to crypto trading. Diversify here means different coins, trading different coins. You don't just trade one coin. You don't just trade BTC or you don't just trade only BTC. No, you have to diversify. Okay? You have to diversify. And that's why in our group we trade different coins. We don't just trade one coin. So if BTC, okay, let me give you an example and also forge ahead with some other things here. Now, let's assume you have $100. You want to invest $100. You want to invest $100. You want to invest $100 only on BTC. Do you know what happens when BTC started falling in price? You are going to be losing that $100 full. Okay, but if you have $100, you invest $100 in one coin, you invest another $100 in one coin. Let's assume you divide it 50-50. You put 100 on ETH, you put 100 on Bitcoin. If ETH didn't perform well, Bitcoin will perform well, and by then you have already make profit from one. Okay, that is diversifying. Also, in diversify, we'll have there. Some people don't know that in crypto, it is not all about trading. It's not about spot and future. There are many things you need to participate on to make more profit. We have staking, we have ICO participation, we have airdrops, and many more. These are many things that gives money in the crypto sector. It is not only trading that gives money in the crypto sector. Talk more of NFTs. We have people that trade NFTs and they are millionaires. We have people that what they look for in this crypto sector is only the ICOs to participate on. What is ICO? Pre-sales them, IDOs them. These are what they look for. Okay, they don't just trade alone. So you have to diversify your investment. Do this one and this one, do this one and this one. Okay, stake some amount of money you have, stake some of your portfolio, then trade some. With this, you will be a profitable crypto trader. If this one doesn't work, this one is going to work. You understand? So you learn how to be a good stake. You learn how to be a good staker. You stake coins, you stake stable coins, and also know the type of coin that you are staking. Also, there are DeFi's, there are farmings, there are many things you need to do. There are many things to do in this sector and remain profitable. ICUs, participation, pre-sales, buy pre-sales. There are how okay, in this time, I'm going to make a new video that will help you to know whether this pre-sale is fake or whether this pre-sale is a real one. I'm going to make that video and post in my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Okay? Because I will do that video how to know a fake pre-sale, a scam pre-sale. There are some factors to know a scam pre-sale because there are many scam pre-sales out there that just come to gain your money and run away. But there are still legit pre-sales that give money. When I say money, I mean money. Okay? There are pre-sales that you will just invest, $200 and you make $1,000. Do you know when the people that bought pre-sale of Wakanda, do you know the people that bought pre-sale of Wakanda? My friend got in. I also got in. Okay? So, and we know how much money we made from these things. Before people started buying, you have take your profit and go. So pre-sale remains. Well, that's why in one of my video I did about NVA pre-sale, I talk about it. I said pre-sale remains one of the fastest way to make money in the crypto industry. Pre-sale, it remains one of the fastest way to make money in the crypto industry. You can use $200 to invest in a pre-sale and make like $1,000. Oh my god! There are one pre-sale I joined. Um, this is a one in. It's just a short story. It's an Indian lady. So she sent me a DM that she's running her pre-sale. So I went on my research, and after researching about this token, I saw some facts that made me to invest my money in that token. So she has a good team. Their team are fire. Every day they are working hard in this token. Right now, we all that invested our money in that pre-sale made a lot of money from that pre-sale. An Indian lady, a lady. So she has a good team. So, and they developed a good coin, started from the pre-sale, we joined from the pre-sale. After launching, we sold the ones we sold, and we are still holding some more because the coin is a good coin. So, learn how to participate in pre-sales and you will be a profitable crypto trader. So, let's forge ahead. Airdrops and more. And you all know there are many airdrops, is not just all these ones that you people are doing on Telegram. This one that uses Telegram put that you will join Twitter, join everywhere, and after everything, they still will not give you anything. So there are legit airdrops. Okay, there are some communities you will join, and what they will be giving you are airdrops, airdrops with money. There are airdrops that pays 1,000, 2,000 airdrop. Okay, so finding a good airdrops will also help you to be a profitable crypto trader. So let's go with with the third point we have here. And the third point we have here is risk management. This is the one thing I want to talk about in this video. Risk management. Risk management. Risk management. Because why I prepared this class is because many people are losing. Okay. I found out that many people are losing. And why they are losing is because of all these points I'm listing here. So I want you to be reading, jotting all these points down, jotting them down, so you can also go and make more research about these things. Okay? Many people are losing money because they don't know how to manage their risk. They don't know how to manage their portfolio. So risk management remains one of the key factors in crypto trading that everyone needs to know about. Okay, if you are not good in managing your risk, oh my god, you will lose. You will lose more. You will know that crypto is not for the dull guys. Okay, so how do you manage your risk as a trader? How do you manage your risk? Guys, please share this video to your friends so that we can have more people here. Share, share, share. If you are on if you are on YouTube, please share the video. If you are watching from Facebook, please share the video. If you whatever you're watching from, just share the video. Let's have more people right here. Let's have more people right here as we go on in this class. So you can't just attend this and say you didn't learn anything. There are many things to learn. I will teach you how to do a good, like how to plan yourself while trading, how to plan yourself, how to manage your risk. Okay, how to manage your risk very well. Risk management. Risk management. How often do you set stop loss in your trade? Risk management. How often do you manage your risk? So risk management cannot be ruled out while trading. Some people don't use stop loss while trading, and this is why they lost. Okay, you need to set your stop loss very well. You need to set your stop loss, and there are ways to do this even this year. So all these things are what you need to know and be a profitable crypto trader. Cryptocurrency is not about losing money. This year alone, many people has lost a lot and many people has gained a lot. And that is why I prepared these things to share how I myself has used these things I'm saying here and it has benefited me in this trading journey. Okay? So how often do you manage your risk? Okay, you don't just have $1,000 and someone gives you a future signal and you use that whole $1,000 and open a position. Before you know it, stop loss hit. Before you know it, you got liquidated and got frustrated. And you next thing you will come out and say that crypto is a scam. No, it is not like that. There are some things you need to know how to do, and you will do it better. Okay, so risk management is one factor that you need to learn how to do very well. When you are good in this, you will be a profitable crypto trader. Not that you are not going to lose, but your gain will be higher than your loss. And that is the point we are talking about. Let your gain be bigger than your loss. Okay, let your gain be bigger than your loss. If you are losing 3 trade every day, let you let it be that after this class you will be losing one and gain two. Okay, with this you will be a profitable crypto trader. You will know that we make money from trading cryptos. Okay, we make money from trading cryptos. We don't just trade crypto for trading sake, but there is money to be made in this place. So you manage your risk very well. So let's dive in, and I will share with you how you can manage your risk. First of all, let's now, what is risk management? Risk management is ability to predict market, to make strategies and control a possible loss. Ability to make strategies and control a possible loss. Tips for risk management. Some people just think that risk management is all about setting stop loss. No, there are so many things that are involved in risk management. It is not all about setting stop loss. Okay, that's alone. That's not the only thing you need to emphasize on while talking about risk management. No. Now, let's talk about one point I put down here, which is never put a say. There is a say that says never put all your eggs in one basket. Do you know what that means? Many people have heard about this, but they don't know that these things also exist in crypto trading. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Never put all your eggs in one basket. And we have talked about this in diversify. Okay, this means this means also diversify. For example, investing 100% of your portfolio in one coin is a high risk trade. Management implies that divide your portfolio in 20% in different other potential assets. Okay? Right. You have let's assume you have $100. You just deposited $100 inside your account and you want to buy one coin. Let's a spot coin for that matter. Spot trade for that matter. You want to trade spot. Okay? Now, and you have $100 in your account. You don't just use $100 and buy Dodge alone. If you do this, you are not applying your risk. You are not managing your risk well. Okay. Now, why trading this? You need to divide that money because that is the whole money you have in your account. You just deposited $100, and that $100 is all you have. Okay, and that $100 is all you have in your account. Using that $100 to buy one coin alone because someone gave you a signal. Using that $100, full $100, and buy one coin. What happens when that coin started depreciating? What happens? You will lose that $100, and you will say crypto is a scam, or you will say crypto is a pro Ponzi scheme that they are saying right now that crypto is a pro Ponzi scheme. Okay, so if if you have $100, this is how you do it. You divide it by okay, let's say 20% of that your portfolio, that $100 you have, you divide it 20%. You use 20% in one coin, in Dodge, for instance. You use 20% in SRP. You use 20% in ADA. Then you reserve some USDT in your account. Watch that trade and see how that trade works before you can pull out another money from your portfolio and invest. Okay. Now, this is the good thing about this. This is the good thing about this now. If 20% you invested in Dodge, let's assume one day you woke up and Elon Musk tweeted, I'm no longer interested in Dogecoin. Do you know what will happen to Dogecoin that day? Dogecoin will fall 100%. And once Dogecoin fall 100%, you are going to lose that 20% you invested. Now, what saves you from losing $100 is because you managed your risk by investing 20% in Doge. Now, 80% reserve is saved for you. You can continue your trade from it with using that 80%, which is $80. You lost only 20%. You can use 80% and continue your trades. You understand? That's why this is very important. If you don't manage your risk very well, you will lose all your portfolio at once. So this is, never put all your eggs in one basket. Never put all your money, all your portfolio in one coin, expecting for a big pump because a Twitter influencer announced it that we are mooning, we are going to moon to 100%. Then you rush to your bank, told First Bank or UBA, give me my money, and you deposit it and vanish. All of a sudden, everything started falling. They will pump you and dump you one place, and you will come out and say that crypto is a scam. No. Learn how to manage your risk very well, and you will be a profitable crypto trader. Now, the next thing we have to talk about here is setting your stop loss. Okay, setting your stop loss in all your trade. How often do you use stop loss? How often do you use stop loss? Many people don't use stop loss. Many people do not use their stop loss. How often do you use stop loss in your trade? I will give example of my own. There was one day I was in a trade because I'm kind of a person that before, when I started, I don't used to use stop loss anyway. Then because of one thing I read, one story, one thing I just read, then that thing just came to my mind that I should not be still setting stop loss. Why will I be setting stop loss when I set stop loss? Before you know it, my stop loss will hit and the trade will start pumping again. So one day, I didn't use stop loss. I'm in a future trade, and my position, my margin that day was $100, and I was in a long position on FTM. That day, I didn't set stop loss. I was in a long position on FTM. The next thing, I came to the group and I saw that Andre just left FTM team. Oh my God. What I saw is forcefully liquidated. Do you know that kind of message? Maskiers will just come and tell you, oh, my bro, you have been liquidated in this trade. And they will smile at you. You have been liquidated in this trade. Forcefully liquidated. Because of what? I didn't use stop loss. Okay? I didn't use stop loss in that trade. Had it been I used stop loss in that trade, instead of me losing that $100 I used in opening that position, I could have just cut my loss and lose only maybe $50 or $20 or 20% of my portfolio of my position. Lose 20% of my position, and tomorrow I will start trading again. But some people will say, no, I don't use stop loss. I'm the king of crypto. I don't use stop loss. No, nobody is the king in this game, man. Nobody. You have to set. This is things you need to follow. Okay, this is things you need to follow. Follow it very well, and you'll be a profitable crypto trader. Use your stop loss. Use your stop loss. How can I say this in your to your ear? Use stop loss. Use stop loss. Now, some people don't know that there is a way to use stop loss in sports trading. They think when we say stop loss, we are just talking about futures trade alone. No, let me give an example right here. Let me give an example right here. Okay, in using stop loss on spot trade. Okay, so when ApeCoin was $23. Was $23. Kule bought ApeCoin at $23. Now, he bought ApeCoin at $23 with $100 capital. With $100 capital. Okay? Now, ApeCoin dropped to $17. Okay? Kule now came back and saw that his $100 is now remain $70. Can you see the thing right now? Hope you all are seeing my writing. If you are seeing what I'm drawing, please indicate in the comment section. If you are seeing it very clear, please indicate in the comment section. Okay? Let me know if I can zoom or not. If you are seeing what I'm writing, please indicate in the comment section that you can see what I'm drawing. So now, ApeCoin falls to $17. Kule portfolio remain okay. Now, Kule portfolio now remains $70. Okay. Kule said, "No, I am not going to close this trade. I will wait for ApeCoin to go back to $23." All of a sudden, ApeCoin dropped to $12. Kule portfolio now remains $50. Kule said, "No, I am not going to cut my loss. This is spot trade. My money is always there. My money is always there. I am not cutting my trade. I am not cutting this money. I am not removing this money. If it can go, let it go. Let me just remain here. Okay." Now ApeCoin dropped again to $10. Tule came back the next day in his portfolio and saw $30. Out of 100, Kule is seeing $30 in his account. Hey, Kuletie, what is happening here? Why is this ApeCoin is a scam? Oh, had it been I know self, I could have cut my loss at 70. Do you know what happens here is? Do you know the point I'm trying to make here is because had it been that Kule cut his loss from $70, do you know what will happen when the price of ApeCoin goes to $10? Kule can use $70 and bought the same quantity of ApeCoin he had, even more. He can bought even more quantity of ApeCoin he had before with $100. That is why it's good to cut your loss. Okay, you don't just lose everything. Don't lose everything. Cut your loss. Cut your loss. Now, Kule money remains $30. He's still hoping that one day that ApeCoin will go back to $23. Why the next day ApeCoin is now trading at $3. Kule can barely see $2 in his portfolio. He now comes back and say that crypto is a broke Ponzi. Okay, now, do you know that now that ApeCoin is now 3.5, let's say 3.5 now, ApeCoin is now 3.5. Do you know that had it been that Kule cut his lot at 50, Kule will bought many quantity of ApeCoin, even more than the one he had with $100. Well, let's assume when he bought with $100, he only have now 23 times 3 we have 69. Okay, maybe he will have 3.4 apes in his account. Okay, 3.4 apes in his account. But do you know that now that ApeCoin is $3.5, if Kule had cut his loss at 50, not even 70. Has cut his loss when he saw that his coins are dropping and his money remains $50. Had it been he has cut his loss, he can buy ape coin more than 3.4. Now $3 is ape coin. $50 can buy almost $50 can buy almost 20 pieces of ape coin. 20 pieces of ape coin. What happens when ape coin raise to $5? He can also regain his loss of $100. He can regain his loss of that $30 he cutted from this 70. But Kule will not do like that. Kule will prefer to wait until ape coin goes back to $23 before he can close this trade. No, I know it's painful to see your money lose, to see yourself losing. It's painful, or it's painful that you enter a trade with the spirit to make money, and after everything you lost money from that trade, or after everything you enter a trade with $100 with the spirit to make 70, to make $120, and you came back and saw that all you have in your account is $70. I know the fear there will not let you to, like, the pain there the pain there will not let you to close that trade at 70. There is pain there, and it will not let you to close that trade at 70. Okay, but do it. This is risk management. You need to do it in order to be profitable, because after everything you can still buy that coin even more. Even more, you can still buy that coin even more. It is in sport. Yes, it is sport. Yeah, some people will say, why will I sell it at loss? But this is sport trade. This is sport trade. Why will I sell it at loss? I have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose, but you are losing and you don't know. You are losing money and you don't know, and you think that you are not losing money. Okay, you are losing money because if you are like Kule, you are not going to make more money. Okay, you are not going to make more money. Okay, because had it been you cutted your loss at 50, now ApeCoin is 3.5. You will have more ApeCoin. As the price of ApeCoin increases, maybe 10% increase, you will have many things. You will have more profit, even more than the $100 you will put in the first place. That's why it is good to cut your loss. Once you see that this trade is not going as stated, cut your loss. Now, there is also another way to determine how do you cut your loss, and this is when technical analysis comes in. Maybe you are analyzing a coin. Let's go back to the chart. Maybe you're analyzing a coin here. Okay, let's assume you are analyzing this coin. Now, Wo coin, you're analyzing Wo. And let's spot when Wo fell down in price. Uh, let's say here, let's say this area, this area. Now, let's say you bought Wo coin around here, around this place. Okay. Now, instead of Wo to pump because you were expecting it to go up. Wo is now dropping. Wo now dropped to here. Okay. Now, your analysis will determine whether to cut your loss here or not. Okay. Your analysis here will determine whether to cut your loss or not. So, technical analysis also helps you to know time to cut your loss. Okay, technical analysis helps you to know times to cut your loss. If you apply a trade and the trade, let's assume you apply this trade because there is one thing I used to say: have a reason for buying, for clicking your buy button. Have a reason for clicking your buy button, or have a reason for clicking your sell button. Don't trade a coin without a reason. Have a reason before you buy any coin. Okay, let there be a reason why you are buying this coin. Let's say you are buying you are buying this coin because it is on support level, and that is the reason why you bought the coin. And unfortunately, that coin didn't go up and later came down and broke your support. Do you know that the reason why you bought that coin has been broken? The support which you used in applying the trade has been broken. What happens next is for you to close that trade. Your support, that the reason why you bought the coin, has been broken. So there is no reason again to keep the trade. Close the trade and go away with the loss you already had. There is next day you apply the trade. When the reason why you bought a coin is no longer there, there is nothing else you are doing there. You close the trade. So have a reason for clicking your buy button. Note that thing down. Let's go back. So this is about setting stop loss in all your trade. Try to use your stop loss in all your trade. Let the spirit of Kule go away from your body in Jesus' name. Okay. Now the next thing and the last thing we need to talk about is determine your profit slash loss ratio. Setting your ratio of winning slash loss will help you to stay more profitable as a trader. Now, when you are trading, let there be a reason, like have your profit and loss ratio. How much are you risking to gain how much? Okay. Now you used $100 to open a trade. This $100 is your risk, your R, first R. Okay. Now you want to make $200 from this $100. Then that $200 you want to make is your second R. Okay. This is your risk and this is your reward. You are risking $100 to make $200. Okay. Now here is what comes to play. You are risking $100 in order to make 200. Good. Okay. Good. But always know your risk slash. Okay. Always know what you are doing. Some people don't even know what they are doing. They just come in and long without any plan. So you need to have plans for doing something. Okay. You need to have plans for doing something. You need to have plans for doing something, guys. You need to have plans for doing something. Now you want to risk $100 because you want to make $200. Pretty good. Okay. But do not say do not say you want to risk one slash one or lower. Maybe one slash 0.5. This is not that good. You are risking more in order to gain less. It's not good. Why will you risk $1,000 in order to make $20? Okay? Why will you risk $1,000 in order to make $20? It's bad. Is not good. You can get liquidated and $1,000 is gone. And while you are doing that, you will find out that you did that because of what is $20. Because of $20, you risk $1,000. So always know that risk we have risk. Maybe you risk 100 to gain 200 is good. That is 1/2. 1/2 is pretty good. You risk one to gain two. Good. Okay. 1/3 is higher. It's not that good anyway. 1/3 risking $100 in order uh to gain to gain 300 is not that good. Okay, guys, do not do that in your trade. Now, the next thing we'll have to talk about is I didn't. The next thing we have to talk about is a constant review. This is constant review. So traders do not review their trades, do not review their journey as a trader. So one day, bring out time, go to your trade history, go to that your close trade positions. Use your calculator. I used to do this every month. Every month I will calculate my risk, my win and my loss. I will use calculator, calculate the ones I lost, calculate the ones I gain, then cross check both of them. Okay, cross check both of them. Which one did I get? I will check both of them. Which ones did I gain more? So this is it, guys. Constant review helps a lot. Constant review helps a lot. Every month, you can be doing this every week. But me, I used to do my own every week, every month. Every month, I will bring calculator and check all my trade. I will count all the trade I applied for that month, calculate the ones I gained, then calculate the ones I lose. This will help you to know whether are you doing the right thing or not. If you did all these things, if you do after this review and you found out that your loss is bigger than the one you gain, then you will know that there is something you are not doing right. You go back to your drawing board again. You go back to your study room. You go back to your mentor. You go back to them, tell him that this is what I had and this is what I plan to get, but I didn't get this. What is that thing that I'm not doing right? What is that thing that I'm not doing right? Okay. Then you do that thing right and stay profitable as a crypto trader. Always have review of what you are doing so that you even some people don't even know the state they are. They don't even know whether they are gaining. They don't even know whether this thing they came into are helping them or not. So, and this is why Maskers is organizing all these things. We will be having this live every week in order to learn more, educate ourselves on the good things we can be doing to stay profitable in the industry. Then the next thing is keep up to news and trends in the sector. Keep up to news and trend in the sector. And this is why I will recommend Twitter to you all. This is where I will recommend Twitter to you all. Always visit Twitter every day. Every day and know the people you follow. Okay, have some mentors, have some big guys in this industry. Follow them and follow up with the trend. What is happening? You need to be aware of what is happening. You need to know what is happening so that you can be profitable as a trader. Okay? So you need to learn what you are doing. You need to know what you are doing. So keep up with the news. I have told you guys that we have Coin Market Cap, we have Coin Gecko, we have Enormous. These three websites, go there, sign up with your go there, sign up with your email address. Sign up with your email address and click to receive newsletter from them all. This will help you to keep up with the news and trend so that you will know when we are in inflation, when inflation is high, so that you will know whether to sell up the coins you have or to keep them. Okay, keep up with the news, keep up with the news and trends in the market. Keep up with the news and trends in the market. Okay, keep up with the news and trends in the market. This is very, very essential. This is very, very essential. And I have told you guys, there are some websites you need to go there. Sign up with your email address. Always check your mail. They will be sending you newsletter. If How did I know that GMT is pumping? Because one day I received a newsletter from CoinGecko that this is the most trending coin of the day. So I know that there is a coin called GMT that is pumping and many people are talking about it. They are the one that sent me message on my Gmail So I used to check my Gmail every day. Crypto trading deserves work. You cannot just sleep and make money in this sector. It deserves work. Sometimes we don't sleep. We are on Telegram 24 hours, 365. We are on Twitter every day, keeping up, keeping up, keeping up. So this is what keep up with the trends. What is happening? Who is winning? Who is gaining? Keep up with the trends. Join communities, join crypto communities so that you will be aware of what is happening in the market. Okay? So I hope with this we have already spent 1 hour in this live, and I need to open up now. If you have any question about what we are saying today, please drop your question in the comment section. Let me attend to them one by one, and we will call it a day. Okay? Drop your question in the comment section if you have any. Drop your question in the comment section if you have any, so that I will attend to them and we will call it a night. I will attend to them and we will call it a night. Drop your question in the comment section. While we wait for the question to pump up, then let's hear from our sponsors. Let's hear from our
How to
sponsors.
register on MaskX application and website. Joining MaskX is a fast and easy process both on the MaskX app and website. Open MaskX homepage, click on one of the sign up signs. Now you have three options. Sign up with a username, email, or phone number. Select the option suitable for you. We will go with username example Real Trader 2022. Set a password. Times make sure it is hard to guess. Repeat it for the second time. Then, go check user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, select sign up. Drag the slider to complete the puzzle. Log in for finishing the registration, which is almost the same on the app. Open MaskX application. Select register. Choose the option you want to be registered by. Type your username as Real Trader 2022. Fill in the requested fields. Select register. Log in for finishing the registration. We strongly recommend linking your wallet to either Gmail or Google 2FA to avoid login issues or one-time passwords problems. For that, go to User Center. Click on Profile. Select Make It Safe Now. And activate via either email verification or Google certification. For binding email or Google certification on the app, click on the upper left corner icon and choose Security Settings. Then bind email or modify Google verification. Welcome to the MaskX family. Trade with confidence. Trade your
Okay, welcome back, guys. And okay, the first question I have here is one person. What what is the right price margin for a long futures trade? Okay. Uh, I think I will start from the beginning. Okay, the first question I have here is where can we get a legit airdrops? Okay, now the there is no the way to get a legit airdrops is sometimes is on Twitter, and sometimes is by joining a community Discord on you joining Discord community, and joining a crypto community, a serious crypto community, not just a community. And these places, they used to announce when you see a legit drops, it comes from a legit place. It's not just a community for scamming people, and you will not get a legit airdrop there. So the next person said, "What is the right price margin for a long position?" Okay, let me explain this one right here. So let's assume you have $100. Let's assume you have $100. Let's assume you have $100 in your portfolio. Okay, your $100 is all you have in your portfolio, and you want to trade a coin. You want to trade future. So in that $100, do not use above 20% of $100. Okay, do not use 20 above 20% of $100. Okay, let's you have $100 in your whole portfolio, and you want to open a margin. Please do not use above. You can use 5%. In fact, 5%, 10% of that $100, which means if it is $100, you can open a position with 20. Why is because if that trade goes wrong, $80 can help you to protect yourself in that trade. Okay, so if you have $100, go with 5%, 10%, 50%, 20% of that position. That is 20% of your portfolio. Okay, do not be that trader or coolie that we have $100, and hear that Nemic sends signal in the group, and Kule will rush to his maskers account and enter $100, thinking that Nemic also do not lose. No, do not be Kule. Do not be Kule. Use 20% of $100 and open the trade. Okay. Now the next question here is the next question here is please sir, I research and find a coin that would soon start their pre-sale. It's called Chains. What do you have to say about it? Okay, and this one I need to research about them also before giving you the information on what I think about them, because I have not heard them before. So I will need to go on a research, then check about them before I can reply to that. The next question here is bring out my question is please bring out a coin and show us what support level is, because you laid emphasis on it during your teaching but didn't see how the support level is. I want to see it. Okay, and okay, wait, let me go on. Okay, so let me go on BTC 1 week chart. Okay, okay. This place also is a support level. So what a support level is like a support level is a price level, okay, where coin has bounced one or two times. One has bounced two or three times. No, not one. Two or three times. Okay. And let me also find another coin here. And let's see. So if you can see my screen, uh, before this thing, let's say this trade is here. So this place right here was a support level. This place right here was a support level. Okay. This line now, this trend line I just gave, this horizontal line is a support level. Why is this a support level? Because price has been bouncing in this area. A support level is that area that that buyers are waiting to buy a coin. There is a high buying pressure in that level. Okay, once a coin reach to that level, buyers will come in and buy, and when they are buying, the price of that coin will increase. The price of that coin will increase. Okay, that is, the coin will start going up. Okay, if a coin is falling, if you can see here that this coin is falling and it reaches here and it started going up. It falls to here again and it started going up. The same, it keep touching this line. So this particular area is a support level, and you are expected to long or trade from a critical support level. Okay, support level, that price area of a coin where buyers are hopefully standing on in order to buy a coin. And the resistance level is that area where buyers are standing to sell up a coin. So resistance level is like this place now, this upside. They reach here and they sell, the price dump. It reach here again, they sell, it dump. They keep selling it from a resistance level. Okay, so resistance level, when you see a resistance you short, when you see a support you short, but sometimes some of these things lags. That is why we trade confirmation. You need to wait for a confirmation to hit before you can trade. Okay, what is a confirmation? When a price hits a resistance level, you don't just short at that resistance level. You wait for a confirmation. That is when it has broken out the resistance level. That is a breakout. Trade the breakout. You trade the breakout. So once it breaks out, that is let's assume. Okay, I said something about GMT today. Yeah, in my group. Yeah, this is what I told you guys. I told you guys today. I told you guys just now in the group. If you are in my group, you know I said this thing. I said if GMT is currently trading, I said that GMT is currently trading at 64. Okay. Buy when a breakout happens. Buy when a breakout happens, and short when a breakdown happens. So now a breakout has happened and it's hitting to the targets I just mentioned in the group. So this is about what is you can know about support and resistance, or breakout and breakdown. Now this another level of a breakout of a support is here. This area now is support. Okay, this area now is support. Now, do you see that the price of this coin fall to this area and rise up? It fall to this area and rise up. It falls to this area and rise up. Okay. Now, this is a support level. When the price of an asset has fallen, one, two, three, four, you confirm that area as a critical support level. So we don't have more question again. Okay. My question, okay, I've answered this. Another one is, can you please give a legit crypto community group name to join? Okay, this one, I think you can. There are many crypto community on Discord. So how to join crypto communities? Just like as some some YouTubers that are doing crypto content. Some of them have communities. You will see them in their videos. They will talk about their communities. They will show the link of their communities below, or they will tell you join our Discord community. Okay, so this is how you find a community to join. Most of these YouTubers, many of them has either Discord or Telegram. So they used to put the link in the description of their videos. So find them and join one of them. So thank you guys for joining me in this live section, and I hope you learned something great today. If you learned something, let me just see a love emoji. Just give us a love emoji right there, and let's call it a night. Okay, and I'm using this opportunity to tell you all, if you have not registered on Maski X Exchange, Maski X is one of the most simplified exchange right now. Okay, please go there, register on Maski X, use my invitation code right there and register on Maski X. Invite your friends, share with your friends, and also invite them to join us in the Maski X communities. Okay. Thank you all for joining and have a nice